G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal that hasn't been opened yet. The seam's still in the middle of the parent material, but it has some promise, some nice colours showing through occasionally here. If I can get it to flash, there, start just up there, one little point. And it's already got a natural fracture here, so it may well break along the line. There's the colour showing there, caught it just in the right angle, but that continues around the corner through here. I think that up this end's stripy sort of blue and white coloured material, goes through there. So it'll be interesting to see what you end up with this piece. I can't price it high because I can't see what's in it, but I don't want to price it too low, but I'm going to give it to you. I think what hopefully you'll end up with is a couple of nice, or at least one big nice stone at a great value price. Cheers.